everyone, I'm number 27 of class 17 of the first grade of Jianxing Junior High School, and today I would like to introduce the Confucius Temple in Tainan. Few spaces in Tainan Confucius Temple named after Pan, namely Pan Gongstong and Pan Shi. The German is a wooden frame supported by 6 pillars. It is the highest level among the Confucius Temple complex. It is named after Ming Lun Hall, which means to teach students to understand ethics. Wenchuan Pavilion is a very special building in the Confucius Temple in Taiwan.